Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the another episode of Getting Started with C Sharp. I'm Faisal. Today we will talk about some different topics. We will cover link, we will cover how to read from notepad, and at last we will develop this application. So to make you attracted, let me run it first. So I'm pressing start. As you can see, I have loaded the districts, all of the districts of Bangladesh here, and I'm going to search. So for example, BA, and the list is automatically filtered with the characters of BA, which are the districts of Bangladesh, starts with BA. And we can also see that the total count in the filter list is 4, and we will do it using link, and we are reading the data from notepad. So we will cover these sections. So first we will read from notepad, then we will create a list, then we will create a list and load the list to the list box. Then we will add a text box and search according to the input. We will do using plain and simple for loop, and then we will replace the for loop with the link. So quite a big video it will be. We will discrete it in 2 or 3 parts. Let's see how it goes. So I'm closing. Okay. So I'm creating a new project for you. It will be Windows Desktop, and I will put it in my GitHub repository. Okay, and we will name it quite meaningfully today. District Search Application. Okay, so new project is created. Now what will I do? I will just follow the notepad. So for example, suppose I don't know how to read from notepad. So what will I do? I will just search in front of you notepad C Sharp, and it is giving me some links. I will directly go to the support. And you can see it is the code. Yes, I have read those previously. So here is a quick tip. Whenever you find some task which you don't know, please read the text also, because these texts are not for showing, it's for your reading. So I'm just copying the line to read. So when should I load that? When my form gets loaded. I want to read from the notepad. So I'm going to properties of the form. Here's the event, and I want to fire it when the load event fires. Okay, and also I need to decorate it. I'm just pressing Ctrl V here, and yes, I want to import the library. So far so good. but I need to decorate my user interface. So quickly adding the list box first is my first target. I'm not going to add the text box and the button or other things now. My first task is to load what? Districts into the list box. Okay. Next, in my project I don't have any data source to load the districts. Well, I have already created a notepad where I have put the districts of Bangladesh, and I'm just going to paste it in here. I have copied the notepad file and pasting onto the project. Okay, so my project now has the list of districts in a notepad. I guess you don't know, but please check. You need to copy this file to the output directory always. Save it. Now let's go to the code again. So it should not be like c/sample text. Instead it will be districts.txt. Fine. So the stream reader loads our file. What's next? Read the first line of the text. Okay, so let's read it. So I don't have any variable called line, so dynamic variable var, and continue to read while you reach end of the line. I also need it. Copy and paste it. But I don't need any console.write line. Instead I need to add the line into the list. Which list? The list we need to create to hold the list of string. So let's create the list of string. Okay, let's create it, and districts.add. Okay, so every time we get a line which is not null will be added to our districts list, and then it will try to read again, and at the end of the file it will not get any value, so it will get null, and while should be false, and it will get out of the loop. So when we get out of the loop, we will surely have the list of the name of the districts. Next, as we have did in the combo box, is similar. The list box also have a property called data source. So list box 1 dot data source equals to line, sorry, not line, districts. Okay, so let's run it. Fantastic. We have loaded all of the names of the district of Bangladesh into the list box. So let's stop the video here. In the next video we will do the link filtering.